Welcome to our channel. Today we're focusing on staying strong, steady, and independent as we age. As we get older, maintaining strength and balance is key, not just for feeling good, but for preventing falls and moving confidently every day. The best part, you don't need a gym or fancy equipment, just a sturdy chair and a little space at home. We'll target your legs, hips, and core with simple, effective exercises anyone can do. Ready to take charge of your health and independence? Let's get started. Follow along, and if you find this helpful, subscribe and share your experience in the comments. Let's start with the chair squat, one of the most important moves for daily strength. This simple exercise is the foundation for so many things you do every day, and it's a great way to build confidence in your body's abilities. Every time you sit or stand, you're doing a squat. Practicing this makes those everyday actions easier and safer. Think about how often you get up from a chair, the couch, or even the bed. Each time you're using the same muscles as a squat. Chair squats build your leg and glute strength, making stairs, standing, and walking less tiring. Stronger legs mean more energy for the things you love, whether it's gardening, playing with grandkids, or simply moving around your home with ease. Here's how. Stand in front of a sturdy chair, feet shoulder width apart. Make sure the chair won't slide. If needed, place it against a wall for extra stability. Keep your chest up and shoulders back. Good posture helps protect your back and makes the movement more effective. Slowly bend your knees and push your hips back as if you're about to sit. Imagine you're reaching for the chair with your hips, not just dropping straight down. Lower until you just tap the chair. Don't rest. This keeps your muscles working and helps you build control. Push through your heels to stand back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Feel the power in your legs as you rise. Keep your knees in line with your feet and your back straight. This alignment keeps your joints safe and helps you get the most from each rep. Arms can reach forward for balance. If you feel wobbly, this little adjustment can make a big difference. Start with 5 to 8 reps, focusing on slow, controlled movement. It's not about speed. Take your time and really feel each part of the motion. Rest, then repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Give your body a moment to recover between sets, and notice how your strength builds with each round. If you can't go all the way down, that's fine. Work within your range and you'll improve over time. Even a small movement is progress, and consistency is what matters most. The chair is your safety net. If you feel unsteady, sit and rest. It's always better to listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. As you get stronger, slow down the movement or try without the chair for more challenge. You might be surprised at how quickly your balance and strength improve. Remember, quality over quantity. Each squat is a step toward greater independence. Focus on your form and celebrate every improvement, no matter how small. Let's try a few together. Stand, lower, tap, and rise. Nice and steady. Moving together, we're building a stronger foundation for daily life. Feel your legs working? That's your foundation getting stronger. Each repetition is helping you move with more confidence and less effort. Keep practicing, and you'll notice real-life benefits in no time. Everyday tasks will start to feel easier, and you'll move with more freedom. Ready for the next move? Let's go. You're doing something great for your health and independence. Great job. On to the next exercise. Keep up the fantastic work, and remember, every squat is a step toward a stronger you. Next up is the lateral leg raise, an essential move for building side-to-side balance and preventing falls. This simple exercise is a powerful tool for keeping you steady on your feet, especially when navigating uneven ground or making quick movements in daily life. Stand tall beside your chair, using it for support if you need. Place your feet together and gently engage your core muscles to help keep your posture strong and upright. Imagine a string lifting you from the top of your head. Slowly lift one leg out to the side, keeping it straight but not locked at the knee. Try not to lean. Keep your torso upright and your shoulders relaxed. Move with intention, feeling the muscles in your hip and outer thigh working. Lift only as high as you comfortably can without tilting your body. Pause briefly at the top to challenge your balance, then lower your leg back down with slow, controlled movement. Remember, it's not about how high you lift, but how steady you stay. The standing leg works hard to stabilize you. Feel that gentle challenge in your hip, thigh, and even your ankle. This is where your balance is truly being built. Aim for 8-12 repetitions on one side, then switch legs, and repeat. Take your time and focus on smooth, steady movement with each rep. It's completely normal if one side feels stronger or more stable than the other. Over time, this exercise will help even out those differences and improve your overall balance. As you get stronger, try holding the top position a little longer, or use just your fingertips on the chair for less support. Challenge yourself, but always prioritize safety and good form. This move strengthens your hip stabilizer muscles, which are key for walking with confidence and reacting quickly if you ever trip or lose your balance. Strong hips mean safer steps. Let's do a few together now. Stand tall, lift your leg, pause at the top, and lower it back down. Keep your movements smooth and steady, focusing on control. Remember, quality matters more than height. Even a small lift, done with good form, will help you build strength and stability. Breathe deeply and move with control. Let your breath guide your pace, helping you stay calm and focused throughout the exercise. With each repetition, you're not just building muscle, you're building your balance, confidence, and independence for everyday life. Ready for the final exercise? You're doing fantastic. Let's finish strong and keep that positive energy going. Excellent work. Now let's move to the mat for the next part of our routine. Our last move today is the glute bridge, a simple yet powerful exercise that's fantastic for strengthening your glutes and core while being gentle on your joints. It's a great way to finish your routine, and it can be done almost anywhere, making it perfect for home workouts. Start by lying on your back, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor about hip width apart. Place your arms comfortably by your sides, palms facing down for support. Before you begin, take a moment to engage your core muscles. Think about gently pulling your belly button towards your spine. Press your lower back softly into the floor to create a stable base. Now, press through your heels and squeeze your glutes as you lift your hips up. Try to form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees at the top of the movement. Imagine your body as a strong, supportive bridge. Hold this position for a second or two, feeling the muscles working. Then lower your hips back down, slowly and with control. Avoid letting your back arch or your hips drop too quickly. As you move, keep your knees in line with your hips. Don't let them splay out to the sides or collapse inward. This helps protect your joints and ensures you're targeting the right muscles. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions, taking breaks as needed. Remember, quality is more important than quantity, so focus on good form throughout each rep. As you perform the movement, really focus on feeling your glutes and hamstrings activate. This mind-muscle connection helps you get the most benefit from each repetition. As you get stronger and more comfortable, you can increase the challenge by holding the top position a little longer, or by crossing your arms over your chest instead of using them for support. This move not only supports your posture and eases back strain, but it also helps you stand taller and walk with less fatigue. Over time, you'll notice improved stability and confidence in your daily movements. Let's do a few together now. Lift, squeeze, and lower in a smooth, steady rhythm. Remember to breathe and move with intention. With every repetition, you're building a strong, stable core and supporting your body for all kinds of daily activities, from walking to lifting groceries. Keep practicing this move regularly, and you'll soon feel the difference in your posture, strength, and overall well-being. Great job. Let's wrap up. That's it. 3 simple exercises for strength, balance, and independence. Make these moves part of your daily routine for lasting benefits. Always check with your doctor before starting new exercises, and listen to your body. Progress comes with consistency. Focus on good form and steady improvement. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Share this video with friends and family. Help others stay strong and confident too. Stay active, stay safe, and see you next time.